Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NFL Network step by step clearly. To activate NFL Network, start by ensuring you have a compatible device. Next, turn on your device and check your internet connection. If you're using a streaming service, go to its official website or application. Locate the option to sign in or create a new account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, search for NFL Network within the app or website. Select the NFL Network option from the search results. You may be prompted to choose your TV provider. Select your TV provider from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your TV provider credentials. Once authenticated, the app will guide you to activate NFL Network. Look for the activation code displayed on your screen. On a separate device, open your web browser. Go to the NFL Network activation website provided. Enter the activation code into the designated field. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the activation process. Once complete, return to the app or device where you started. You should now have access to NFL Network content. Enjoy watching your favorite NFL shows and games. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.